Hello, this is my day one. Yesterday was a post-op day. I was in a lot of pain and I had everything. I had oxycodone, I had morphine, I had codeine, I had ibuprofen, and paracetamol is still not working. So it was really hard for me. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo. But today is almost the same, in pain, but I managed to sleep today. So that's why medyo fresh looking ang lola nyo. But yes, we took off the bandage today. I'll show you. Yes, there's a bit of bruising there. But yes, ice pack on the side kasi nga still in pain and they want removing it. So staying again overnight today. Hopefully home tomorrow after physio assessment. Yes. So I'll update you again tomorrow. Good morning. I'm on day 2 today. Slept a bit well last night. Still in pain, but not that much. Managed to move on my own out of bed today, so I'm sitting down on a chair. There's my view. Not much, but it's still a view by the window. Hoping to go home today after had some x-ray. And I'm just waiting for breakfast. Yeah, I'm back on my bed. I had some physio exercises. I've done very well. So proud of myself. So we're heading home. I just need to have some x-rays. I had some bloods this morning. So let's wait and see. Thank you. I am so ready to go home today. Naka-ready na actually ng discharge letter na ako. Yan, discharge letter. I've got all my medications and sick note na lang hinihintay. Then the nurse in charge came back. Sabi niya, may mababa na sa blood results ko. So the doctor advised for me to stay in for another night and we'll monitor and we'll recheck your bloods tomorrow again. So yes, it sucks because miss my minions Jojosh, Megan, and Jericho. They miss me. My eldest actually called me and said that I'll be there 9 when you go home. Just don't move a lot. I will get everything for you. So it's all ready now for me to go home. And then I've called him back and said, unfortunately, not going home today. We'll try again tomorrow. A bit frustrated. He's a bit frustrated, but we can't do anything. So I guess another night again here in the hospital. A lot better though with my pain. Yeah, moving better as well with my crutches. Another problem, another day. Yes, we'll take one day at a time though. Good morning. Now we are on day 3. Yes, day 3 of my surgery, and we're still here in the hospital. I had my bloods there. I had my bloods this morning, so just waiting for the result. And then after that, we'll see if I can go home. I have my breakfast here with me. There. Toast with butter. All right. I had my bloods earlier on, the result of my bloods. So I'm not going home. I'll have a strict input and output. Mas bumaba pa yung bloods ko. So, I will be staying here in the hospital. And I'll be having fluids to top up the... This is the third jog today. And it's only 5 o'clock. So, yes. So, they want me to drink for England and to finish all the fluids in this hospital. And to top it up, I have to walk with the IV stand with crutches and measure my urine in the toilet. Well, just put the bedpan and then they will measure it for me. But yes, I will be staying for another night. Can you imagine that? I just came here as a day case for my knee, partial knee replacement. And now it's been like the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's gonna be fourth day, night tonight of sleeping in the hospital. So yes, we're looking around over the weekend. If I can go home tomorrow, yeah, that will be fine. They will check, but they said unlikely that it'll go up. So we'll see. Probably it will. Definitely drinking for England. IV fluids, and then this is my fourth job. Foot massage at night.